Hello, mothers. I want you to know this, that after childbirth, your body is still healing from pregnancy, from delivery, and even blood loss. And most complications that come out after delivery do not just happen suddenly, they give signs, and sometimes we do not listen to those signs. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you 5 signs you should not ignore as a mother who just gave birth. The first sign you have to look out for is bleeding, heavy bleeding or worsening bleeding. You have delivered. The first 5 days or 1 week after delivery, the bleeding is supposed to be gradually reducing. But you notice that in your own case, the reverse is the case. It is now increasing. You are using one pad every 1 hour. You are bleeding heavily. You are seeing clots, thick clots in your bleeding. Please go back to the hospital. It is an emergency. It has to be taken care of. It is not what you should manage at home. Number 2, if you notice that your body is getting hot, yes, normally after delivery, the first 24 hours, sometimes to the 48 hours, maybe for cesarean section mom, your body may have some hotness of the body because of the response to trauma and all that. But if in your own case, you notice that your body is getting hot after 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and is increasing, my sister, don't assume it's malaria typhoid. Please go back to the hospital. Let your doctor look at you. It could be a sign of worsening problem. It could be a sign of a bigger issue. So don't underestimate fever. Say it is malaria typhoid. I want to treat malaria typhoid. No, it is not malaria typhoid. Okay? Or rather, it may not be malaria typhoid. So whatever it is, go back to your doctor so that you can be examined. Then number 3, if you start having headache or change in your vision, you're not seeing well. My sister, don't assume that it's because you are not sleeping well until you have been checked by your doctor. Don't assume that it is the stress of newborn until you have been checked. Because headache, blurring of vision may just be a sign of complication of high blood pressure. The fact that during your pregnancy, you didn't have high blood pressure problem, you didn't have this thing, doesn't mean that it cannot come up after delivery. So that is why you should not play with such. So when you start having headache, severe headache with blurring of vision or without blurring of vision, please go back to the hospital. Go and see your doctor so that you can properly be examined. If at the end of the day they say, oh, madam, it is stress, then you know what next to do. You know that what you need is rest. What you need is to sleep well. So whichever one it may end up becoming, please don't joke with headache. Don't joke with changing your vision after delivery. All right? Number 4, you start having offensive vaginal discharge after your delivery. Sister, please go back to the hospital. Go back. Yes, the discharge that comes after the blood is now gradually reducing, it may have some odor, like sand, like old blood, if you understand. But when it starts smelling like rotten egg, smelling very offensive, that people start questioning you, asking what is happening, why is this? You yourself, you know. Please, it's better you go. And they say, oh, madam, it's the normal thing now, than for you to keep it at home. Go back to your hospital. Go back to see your doctor. Okay? Number 5, if you suddenly become dizzy, weak, getting tired, progressive, please, my dear, it may not just be hunger. It may not be tiredness. It may be a sign of something more serious. And so you need to go back and see your doctor. Yes. As soon as possible. Go back. On a lighter note, these signs are just listed. It may not be that something terrible is about to happen. It may just be that your body is giving you sign. Your body is telling you, please, I need attention. So you need to listen to your body. You deserve the best. You deserve proper care. And your body should not be used as a guesswork. So, all right, my dear, I am Dr. Isi, a mother who cares about mothers' health beyond delivery. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.